Hello guys, Atharva here. It's my first tutor, and in this tutor we are going to see how to work on Unity. So in this tutor I'm going to teach you what Unity is all about. It's a gaming software, and we've got a great idea to create a game. And I will teach you how to create a game. I'm just 14, and I love to create games on PC as well as in Android platform. So first we have to download Unity from the Unity software. We have to go on Google, just type Unity, Unity 3D, and the game engine will appear over here. Just hit the game engine over here, and these are the graphics of Unity. They are excellent. It works very excellent in my PC. We can also create the games in iPhone or in Android by using the same software Unity. Now first we have to download Unity by clicking download option, and the in the right there is a download option given. The latest version of Unity is 4.0.1. So if you are using Windows, here just make sure that Windows are written over here. If you are using Mac, there is an option over here developing on Mac. Just hit it, and it will change to OS. Now I've got Unity, so I will just open it in my PC. I've got Unity 3.5.6. It's a pro version, so it works good in my rather it works excellent in my PC, no doubt about it. Now this is Unity Windows. Now here in the left corner there is a hierarchy in which we can place our game object over here. There is a main camera. All the game objects are placed in hierarchy, and here in the right we have inspector. In inspector uh, we can just place our objects wherever we want. There is a option over here. For example, we have if you want to bring this main camera in the middle of our map, so there's a position over here. Just hit 0 over here, 0, and here 0, and it will come to the middle of our map. Then when it is there are many options like uh, here it's a file to hit build settings. Now here we are generally making the game for PC and Mac, so we are going to hit the platform for PC. To do this, just go to PC and Mac. Set your target. If you are using Windows 32-bit, just click Windows. If you are using Windows 64-bit, click it. If you are using Mac, there is an option for Mac. Usually I'm using 64-bit, so I will use 64-bit, and you have to tick all the three option like development of build, auto connect, profiler, and script debugging. Now after you have clicked all this, ticked all this, you have to hit switch platform. We have already switched our platform to PC. It comes by default, and if there are many options, like if you want to create the game in Android, there is an option for Android. Flash player, there is again an option. iOS, it generally does not support in the Windows. It will support on the Mac. So if you are using Mac, you can just uh, create the games of iOS. There is a Xbox 360, PS3, and all. There's a V also. Now we are generally using PC, so we don't want to see this all. If I've got an Android phone, and I also create the games of Android. So if I will create the game in upcoming months, I will surely post it on YouTube. So now we are going to create the PC games. There are player settings here. We have got company name, product name, and here is our icon, game icon. We will select it afterwards. Is a resolution, presentation, icons, flash player, blah blah blah. In the end of the video, in the season, in the tutor, I will show you how to do that. So now we have got one more. Here is a scene view. Now I will tell you the relation between scene view and the game view. Oh, sorry, game out. I mistakenly have to put it. Yeah, and now the scene view is the view in which we can edit or create our game. Here the inspector and all, just we have to create the game in scene view. In game view, we will see how the game works, and it's a very great it's a great method to check how the game works originally in PC or something. So about we have I think we are clear about scene view, game view, hierarchy over here, how to set the platform. Till now we have seen all that. Now here is the play pause button. The play, if you hit play button, we will see how our game has been created. Here the we will see how the game has been created. Over here there is a pause button. We will pause the game, and there is a we usually not use this button, so these three are the buttons. Now if you don't like this window, I'm pretty comfortable with this window. If you want to change, there is option in the right bottom, the top corner. I'm using width, so there is option of 2 by 3. The game view also comes in there, and the inspector is in its original place. There is a 4 split. It is very confusing. It's a top axis over here already given as y-axis. Here is a the different axes are given in this 4 split, and there is a tall over here. All are same, just hierarchy is placed over here, and the project as well as project and hierarchy. And there is white, which I am using. It's pretty comfortable for me. If you are comfortable with tall or something, you can use that. So this is the Unity. This is the startup. If you are clear with this, we will learn the edit, asset, game object, component in the upcoming videos. So just keep interest in making the games, and for this is a great chance uh, to create your games and publish it on Android market, or either you have made it for PC, you can publish it for your creating your website and all. So for this tutor we have just learned the basic things of Unity. So in the next tutor we will start to creating our game. So then bye bye, we'll see you in next tutor.